Hello and welcome to day one of the Festival of Circular Economy. Now, I speak at loads of festivals, but none of them are more important than this festival.
So we've really lost sight of this connection between what we consume and the impact it's having on the planet. Not only is this stuff not making us happy, it's not making us healthy either.
We've seen enormous change in logistics over the last decade using technology to make improvements and efficiencies, because there isn't a one-stop shop for circularity. You can't go to a company, click your fingers and just have everything fall into place.
I'd say the biggest barrier to the circular economy is mindset. We have the technology, we have the money. All we need to do is change our vision.
And I think one of the things that we found quite exciting here in the Netherlands was the ability for the government to put forward its goals through procurement and say, look, we need to realize a fully circular economy.
The relationship with suppliers are so important, but also to include the consumers in our loops. That's very important. And the retailers.
We use things from the planet, we pollute things from the planet that the planet cannot recuperate from. In the US, we act as if we have 5 planets. And for instance, in 2019, we extracted 92 billion materials from the planet.
Production-led design is something really intelligent, and also realizing that you can't solve all problems, so focus on one problem.
The key is to try and integrate it so that all the reporting you're doing around the circularity of your business model ties to how you're creating value. It's one example of thinking about how is circularity actually helping you be a better business, and then measuring that and using that as a kind of proxy for the environmental benefit.
We are going to be building about 230 billion square meters of new construction. Now that is equivalent to adding Paris to the planet every week. So it is utterly mind-blowing, the amount of construction that we're looking to do.
The good news about the circular economy is that it's there for the taking. And the good news, in addition to that, is that everybody can be part of the solution. Not just the people who are manufacturing the products, but consumers, retailers, and everybody else who needs to be going in the same direction.
We recognize, the circular economy transformation is long-term. It's going to take time. We need to do that thoughtfully, but it's not enough to just work on the 10-year, 15-year planning horizon. We need to look at what we can do on the ground right now to deliver impact and also to build momentum.
Circular economy is when our lifestyle, the way we consume things, the way we produce things, is one with nature. That's the only way we're going to achieve circular economy.
Do the one thing that's right in front of you. Just do the one thing. It's really easy to kind of get focused on massive issues when actually the thing that you're falling over the most, that's the thing that you've got to be able to do.